Hey everybody, this is Lucas from Measur. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create offline maps to fly without internet through QBase3D for the Trinity F90 Plus. I'll also be showing you how to download elevation data so you can have proper terrain following in the field. So first off, we'll go to Tools and we'll go down and select Create Map. Now this is going to open up the map feature. So now let's pan to an area that we want to download the maps for. In the bottom left, we have three options. We have the plus and minus icon, which will zoom in and zoom out, as well as the bottom left, which will pan to an address that we type in. So let's say we're going to do a mission in Kitimat. I type it in, click find. It's going to find us Kitimat. So once I find my area, let's say I'll go here. I'm going to name it Test Kitimat. And then I can adjust my zoom level. So you can see in the top left, that's going to be how detailed we can zoom in for when we're out in the field. So if I want to be able to get in really tight for takeoff locations, I can do higher, but usually 15's all right to go, but let's say I'll put it 60 in the middle. Now I have two options. I have horizontal and vertical. This is depending on the area that I want to cover. So once I've found that and everything is good to go, I'm going to click the download button. And now we're going to give it a couple seconds, and once it's done, it's going to give us a notification. So there you go, our offline map has been downloaded. It's going to give you a notification on where I can find all those offline maps, which is under Documents, QBase, Maps. Do you want to apply this offline map? I'm going to apply the map right away. So if I go to Mission, New Mission, you can see that my map is already loaded and I can only see the tiles that I downloaded. So now, if I plan an area here, I want to make sure that my terrain following is accurate, so I want to download the elevation data. So I'm going to go back to the main menu with the three bars. I'm going to go Settings, and I'm going to click Elevation. So this is going to open up our elevation data and all the tiles where I can download the SRTM data. So now I'm going to go find my location, Kitimat. Terrace is right there. In Kitimat, you can see I already have the terrain downloaded, but let's say my flight was down here. As soon as I click on the square, it's going to turn yellow. That means it's downloading, and once it's done downloading, it is green. So once it's green, my elevation is stored, and now I will get accurate terrain following data for that flight in that area. Now you can also see I can use my own DEM here. So if I click Import File, I can bring in my own TIFF file in WGS84 and use that as my elevation source. Thanks everybody for watching, and please tune to the next video for Trinity F90 Plus tutorial.